Hi everyone, Brian from D.I.G.S Marketing here. Over the past year, I've helped run 15 B2B SaaS companies' LinkedIn accounts, helping them scale pipeline and new business generation through LinkedIn. One mistake that I see time and time again is using the automated bidding option for way too long on their LinkedIn accounts. Don't get me wrong. Automated bidding is a good place to start, but it is not the best to scale and to maximize efficiency for B2B software companies, especially those that are operating on a limited budget. I have a framework that I'd love to share that I think works time and time again as a way to control your LinkedIn ad costs while producing maximum results. Step one is starting with automated bidding, usually for the first 7 to 10 days. This ensures that your ads are being shown, that you're getting some clicks and impressions, and that LinkedIn has started to get used to showing your ads. Next, transition to manual bidding. Usually what I do is I look at the range of what LinkedIn is providing as the manual bid range and choose a cost right in the middle as my starting point. Then let that run for a week or two. During that time, you should be monitoring two things. One, your impressions and clicks, so the volume, and number two, your cost per click. Ideally, what is happening is that your impressions and clicks are staying the same or increasing as they were when you were doing automated bidding, but your cost per click is decreasing. That's the game. You want to increase impressions and clicks while decreasing the cost per click. The third and fourth step kind of depend on what you see happening. If you see what you want to be happening, which is cost per click is going down, overall clicks are staying or increasing, you want to keep lowering the bid. I would usually do $1 or $2 each week decrease until you hit a plateau. A plateau just means that you are not seeing the same click volume as you once were, and that your clicks are actually dropping off because your bids are too low. If that is happening, that's when you increase the click cost back up $1 or $2. So what you can usually do is you can usually start at a baseline, let's say $15 a click with manual bidding. And as long as the clicks are not dropping off week over week, gradually lower that. And maybe you can find the plateau at $7 or $8 a click while still having the same reach and clicks per week. This is a really effective way to gradually lower your cost per click while maintaining your performance. And if you leave your LinkedIn bidding strategy as automated, you can never do this because LinkedIn will not optimize for efficiency at all. So again, start with automated bidding, let it run for 1 to 2 weeks, then change to manual bidding, starting with a bid that is in the middle of the range that LinkedIn gives. And then finally, lower the bid every week or two until you hit a plateau of clicks and impressions. Hope this is helpful. And please let me know if you employ or deploy the strategy and if you're seeing results. Thanks.